Hello and welcome everybody. This is Abushad here. In this video, I have designed someone's dream house as per the requirement of the client. So let's come closer. I'm showing you the closer view of the house, that how it looks like that. I'll explain you each and everything from the bottom to the top, from the from start to the finish, right? I'll tell you this is the ground floor and this is the first floor. The ground floor is having the plinth, right? And the height of the plinths depends on the nearby road. If your road is down, then no need to provide plinth. If your road is higher than your location of the building, then you should provide as per the road level, right? And then you have to do, and then the floor height of the building should be 10 feet minimum. If you are giving more than 10 feet, no problem, but it should not be less than 10 feet. Okay. And this is the main door of the house, main entrance can say, through which can walk, walk inside from this door. And this is the first floor, and the sofas is placed here on the balcony side. Doors and windows has placed simultaneously for aesthetic look, uh, especially for the front elevations, for the front side. So I'm going to show you the front from the different zone, from the different side, different angle, so that you can realize and visualize each and every component being placed in this house. So these are the column goes from bottom to the top, and the flower bed has placed on the top of the terrace. And the toughened glass is placed either side of the balcony so that anybody should not fall over. Okay, and this side is having single opening windows. This is the double opening windows, and beside of that there is a door. I'll show you this door later on. And but I haven't placed chajja for the first floor. Why? Because first floor is having closed chajja or rooftop, and for the ground floor, I have provided chajja. Why? Because of weather conditions. In the weather condition, in the monsoon seasons, water should not drain inside of the house because it may disturb to the house member. So I show you the second corner of the house through which you can visualize the back side, front side, either side, right? So, and this is the open terrace. First of all, you need to say Jahend because it's much favorable. Everybody should love it. Yeah, Jahend. Yeah. So before moving to the next, we should visualize each and every component being placed so beautifully and thoughtfully, which actually needs to be placed. Yeah. Yeah. Let's move on. So I'm showing you this house from the third corner of the house. This is the open terrace. Sorry, this is the open balcony, which is roadside view. So the house member of the guest or anybody can enjoy every single moment sitting out here because this is three side opening fresh air. So and let's move on to the fourth angle view. Right, this is the car parking. I forgot in the beginning to describe. This is the car parking, right? So in this directions, you will have each and everything here from the bottom to the top. This is the plinth, and this is the floor height wall, 10 feet, and the thickness of the slab is 6 inches, right? This is the parapet which is placed for the open balcony. Yeah, yes. This is the Mumti has placed on the top of the staircase, and this is the This is panel glass aluminum door. Why I have provided? Why you should provide aluminum door on the terrace for the mum tea? Because it is having more resistance of weather conditions. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So finally, your building or your apartment or your villas will look like that once you get finished up. So if you liked watching this video, please share it to your loved one. So let them enjoy as you are enjoying with me. And Jai Hind, this is Abushad signing off.